Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Uber app in 2025. So first of all, you need to download and install the Uber app in your device, and then you just have to simply open it and sign up in your account. Now, once you do this, you will see this type of interface in front of you where it may ask you to provide your location details. So you just have to provide that and you need to confirm the exact pickup point on the map. So here you will see this search bar. So you need to simply tap on this search bar, and here you will have to enter your pickup location. After selecting it, you need to review the available ride types. It can be Uber X or Comfort Green, along with the estimated fares and the approval time. Then you need to choose the option that best fits your needs, and you need to simply tap on the choose Uber Go option in the bottom. After that, you need to review your pickup and your destination details, and you need to confirm your pickup to simply place your order on Uber. Now the app will provide your driver's name, vehicle's details and estimated arrival times. So you need to wait at the designated pickup location and verify the vehicle's license plate before boarding on it. So you can monitor the route in real time through the app, and you can feel free to communicate with your driver if necessary. So once you have successfully arrived on your location, then you need to pay the driver and you can rate him for his service. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.